little fox.
Bird and Kip, Episode 1, A Perfect Tree. Bird lived in a perfect tree.
I love my tree.
She said.
It's in a nice, quiet park. And I can see the ocean.
One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom! Bonk!
What made that sound?
Asked Bird. Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep. Boom! Bonk!
Ouch!
Said Bird. Bird looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash! Bonk! Boom!
Acorns!
Cried Bird.
Where did these come from?
Bird looked up and saw a chipmunk.
Sorry.
Said the chipmunk.
Oh, that's okay.
Said Bird.
What are you doing with all these acorns? I'm moving in.
Said the chipmunk.
You're moving in?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said the chipmunk.
I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor.
Bird and Kip, Episode 2, Bird's New Neighbor. Bird did not like having a neighbor. Kip was loud, and he dropped acorns.
I need a break,
Said Bird.
I think I'll go to the beach.
Bird walked in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack.
I love the beach.
She said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky.
Oh no!
Said Bird.
That hawk will eat me!
Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home.
I saw a big hawk!
Said Bird.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
I don't like hawks. Where was it? It was at the beach.
Said Bird.
Will it come here?
Asked Kip.
I don't think so.
Said Bird.
This tree is a very safe place.
Bird and Kip, Episode 3, Acorn Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Sloop, scrape, scrape,
What are you doing, Kip?
asked Bird.
I'm making acorn gumbo.
Said Kip. Then Bird smelled something. It was something that smelled very bad.
You are going to eat that?
Asked Bird.
No.
Said Kip.
We are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight. Kip, this doesn't smell good.
Said Bird.
It doesn't smell good,
Said Kip.
but it tastes great.
Just then, Bird saw something.
There's the hawk!
She cried. The big hawk was swooping toward the tree. Yuck! Something smells bad, said the hawk. The hawk turned around and flew away.
Phew.
Said Kip.
Your acorn gumbo saved us, Kip.
Said Bird.
And you're right. It does taste great.